Pátio da Ameaça. Had your way. Inside an Ameaca courtyard, just inside the crowded streets. Oh, 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 crowded streets, just outside of my soul. Pátio da Ameaça, in and around Pátio da Ameaça. Oh, Pátio da Ameaça, Pátio da Ameaça. Streets of Macau, oh, lanes of Macau. Oh, courtyards of Macau, yeah, Macau. Pátio da Ameaça, in and around Pátio da Ameaça. Oh, Pátio da Ameaça, Pátio da Ameaça.
This time we're going to do a courtyard. These little courtyards are everywhere in Sao Paulo, near Sao Paulo ruins on Old Macau. So we're basically in Old Macau. We're going to be walking into that busy street right there. But this courtyard is where we're in right now. So we're just kind of give you an idea what this looks like. Let's put this up on the map so you can kind of see where we're going to start. We're going to see what's all in here. And then we're going to get into St. Paul Street a little bit and walk around in there. And it kind of gives you the whole context of this courtyard, and I'll try to explain those a little bit too. So stay tuned. Let me put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. So this courtyard is right off of this busy street with all the people coming by. Not too far away is St. Paul ruins. Lots of people down that way. So let's go into our patio a little bit. Show you what the courtyard looks like. You got some beef pao, sandwiches, some artwork, and some lighting as well. And then I've always seen like these little, these are kind of everywhere in Macau. But they're in this courtyard as well, which kind of implies that this is probably a little bit different than it is in the current incarnation. Let's walk all the way down to the end and we'll come back. For kids. Black Lotus is a kind of a bar. And we got some nice artwork in here. Ben Ghost. Motions come and go. Old Macau. Some really nice artwork right there. And then we also have the Black Lotus right in there. Then we have another one of these as well. Another stairwell. It's our Target Street. You just kind of see, I'm kind of curious. I think this goes into private property. Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna go all the way down. Pretty cool. Okay. Plus we got some restaurants here. Dora Dora. I think that's ice cream. Kyoto. It's like also ice cream. And then this is the beef pao place here. Some nice artwork right there. Oh, that looks really cool. It's amazing. So that has a little bit of beef opal. Okay, so we're gonna walk on this little patio. So let me try to explain the patios a little bit. So these courtyards are like they're little communities. So in the past they're like little communities. So basically a family might live in a little community like this, just off the main road, and they'd have like a bunch of, but then they transform over time. So now it's kind of different. So we're gonna come out of that courtyard. And up there is Sao Paulo ruins. It's a little bit too dark. You can't really capture it so well now. But earlier, you could. But what I am going to do is just kind of go down this hill. So our courtyard was in that little space down that way. Then we're going to keep on going all the way down. And I'm trying to kind of so that was actually the highlight courtyard for this particular street. So that one will be the focus. But there's also other courtyards all along the way. So I might show some of those as well, just slightly. We'll kind of show you whatever we see going down here. I think this is also a courtyard too. Oh, this is a Fortuna Travessa, Fortuna Lane. I think every time I've come up here, it's always been nighttime. But there's more to see, but I'm gonna just keep our focus on our street. Around our area. Okay. Let's keep on going down. Okay. So yeah, so that was the courtyard. There's more down here. Just kind of working my way through some of the crowds. Get lots of snacks and different stuff. Okay, so I'm going to come to an ending in a second here. There's shrine. Here's another Travessa. Looks like this Travessa is black today. Oh no, it's not black. Okay, so we're gonna turn this camera off any second here. Here's what I was gonna show. So there's other courtyards too. So they're always called the Pátio. So this is another one. I just wanted to come down to another patio just so you can see that they're kind of built in like this. And then they each have their own little thing. So this one says Macau on it. So if you're in Macau, definitely check out patios and courtyards. So anyways, so the first one was our focus one, and then this is just to kind of reinforce the fact that they're around. And then we'll just come back out. And now we're just right into all the streets again. And just to kind of give you an idea of another courtyard, we'll just briefly show you another one and how they're each is a little bit different. So here's another courtyard in here. Just like that. Little ice cream shop. Kind of really navigating a lot of people when you're in these streets. This is called Pátio Street. So now we're on St. Paul Street, and now we're on Pátio Street. I can see the street sign up above. And we're going to come to an ending. The lighting is nice, but it's a little bit too dark now. Okay. So yeah, really nice. And here's a little don't know what you call these, but okay. Got some streets you can go up, and then we're gonna just come back down this way, and then we're gonna come to an ending. So a little slice of Macau. Look at all the residentials up there too, right? So on that note, we'll end our video.